Tri Hills Ensemble Festival ka baar kala sedang hending ke sini thodi hak bala pyninam yang jingru spa jeng kijaj penriu khasi bat karu hak yang ke kolshor kariti ke dustur trai bat kiwe bat dia kini kata masak berolong hasil tham auditorium la Plie do menteri rang ba ke jylla ukon rat ki sangma bat do menteri ke kam jengok kai uba polling do hak ni ke sini sedang jong kata masa la pyninam yang ke jingru spa jeng kiwiu khasi jantia bat ki garu hak ya dei bat ke kolshor ki jimbam trai ki tiar trai bat kini kata masa ka dei ru kumsi benta jong ke jing rakhe ya ka jan jetia gorok diwas ka balong ka sini tho ding bat sini set jan ka Tri Hills sele ka bekentop ya ki lightly ki riulum jong ka jylla ki bekentop ya ki khasi jantia bat ki garu ya ki bakilangam jeliu bha ha ka jing dei bat ka mei mariang kemudian kecing dei bat ke kolshor bat kecing temu jong kini kata masa kalau merwan ra ya kecing long kerpang jong kini ki lightly ki riulum ha ka kerensan kenang baki pat ba kinyo i bat sakhi ya kecing ruspa ha ka baya dei bat ke kolshor bat kiwe
Meghalaya is a very unique state with a very unique culture and unique people, and hence we have always maintained that as a society we should always remember our roots. We should always remember our identity. The world today is a global world. The world today is a world that is, moving forward with technology. It's very easy to get distracted and lose oneself in the kind of world that we are in today, especially when it comes to the youth. And hence, it has been part of a specific strategy by the government to ensure that our youngsters specifically are always reminded of their roots. Because only when you are, firm with your roots, your identity, you will be able to ensure that you are able to move forward in a proper manner in today's world. And hence, art and culture has always been one of the more important areas for us because we link it to our identity. It makes us who we are. It differentiates us from the rest of the world, in fact, the rest of the country. And therefore, as a society and as a government, we will always ensure that we keep reminding ourselves and ensuring that we celebrate our unique identity which we have.